Hola. Hello, good day everyone. So this time I'm going to discuss on elective mathematics 8. This is an elective subject for grade 8 students of Math and Science School in San Fernando. So we are going to discuss about trapezoid. So we have what are our learning targets for this discussion? Oh, nagtoyok na siya. Number 1, define a trapezoid. Illustrates the properties of a trapezoid. Define and illustrate an isosceles trapezoid. Illustrate the properties of a trapezoid. And solve problems involving trapezoid. So, for this video, wala sa si solve problems involving trapezoid. So, kana lang sa siyang upat. To follow na si problem solving. Okay. So, anyway, let's have the definition. So this would be the usual illustration of a trapezoid. We have, it is a type of quadrilateral with only one pair of opposite sides parallel. So from this illustration, we have here, so usually the two parallel sides are non-congruent. So one symbol, pwede nga symbol nga pwede na ito magamit for us to be able to say that the two sides are parallel is kani si arrow. So example, ako nang butang arrow din ha. And then another arrow dere. Okay, so meaning ana niya class, the two sides are parallel. So for example, ako ni siyang ngalanan, this is trapezoid A. We have B, and then C, and then we have A, B, C, D. So trapezoid A, B, C, D. So from that illustration, we can say that the A, B, and C, D is ang parallel side. So we have the non-parallel sides are called the legs, and of course, the parallel sides are called the bases. So next is we have, okay, so the non-parallel sides again are called the legs, and the parallel sides are called the bases. So ato sa nang tangtangon si ma'am din ha. So how are we going to identify a trapezoid? So the only condition that you have to consider is only two sides are parallel. Kanya ra siya si AB and CD. Now, okay, so let's have now this the one and only type of trapezoid. We have the isosceles trapezoid. So what do we mean by isosceles trapezoid? So, tanaw na to ang naong maumawag dagway sa ganina, no? But there will be a slight difference on the properties. So, if this is trapezoid A, B, C, D, okay, that's trapezoid A, B, C, D. By definition, it's a type of trapezoid whose non-parallel sides are congruent. So, we all know that from this illustration, we have its side AB and side DC that are parallel. So meaning the non-parallel sides are side AD and side BC. So by definition of an isosceles trapezoid, the legs are congruent. By the way, the legs is the non-parallel side, so which means AD is congruent to BC. Next is we have the median of a there's an error that's not an trapezoid. O, patay tas English teacher, ana ha. So, ato siyang tangtangon. It's the median of a trapezoid. Hindi siya, di ba? Ato na siyang i-delete. So, ato siya pag-delete, no? Ato siyang tabunan. Way labot si N. Di ba? Ma-artist tagdili oras. So, sana siya. Murag buhok ni Sanggoku. Murag buhok ni Sanggoku. Ang daw ni Sanggoku, never mind na lang. Kay dili ni artist inyong teacher. Never mind na lang nang nahuli sanggok. Okay, median of a trapezoid. So what do we mean by median of a trapezoid? We have, so if this is our trapezoid, A, B, C, D, then we have here a segment whose endpoints are the midpoint of the non-parallel sides. So by definition, what do we mean by midpoint? So when we say midpoint, these are the points that divides the segment into two equal parts. So meaning ani niya class is we have, if xy is the median, then ax is congruent to xd, and we have by is congruent to yc. So that makes it point x is the midpoint of AD and point y is the midpoint of BC. So again, when we say midpoint, it divides the segment into two equal parts. Now, nganong si AX o si XD raman ang equal, dili silang upat kagagmay. It is not stated that the given trapezoid is isosceles, meaning we cannot also give a conclusion that AD is congruent to BC. So, lain-lain silang duha. So, we have, by definition or by property of the median of a trapezoid, the value or the length of the median, so in ABCD, XY is the median. The length of XY is equal to AB plus CD over 2, or that is, median is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So that is the common, or that is really the what we call as the general equation. We have, okay, median is equal to, kaya akong equation na gihatag is based from the illustration. That is base number 1, then we have plus base number 2, okay, and that is divided by 2. Okay, that's really the actual formula for median. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. Now, let's have an example. So, in the illustration, we have there, ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid and XY is the median. So, that is why if you have noticed, the four smaller segments, kani si AX, si DX, si BY, ug si YC are congruent. It's because isosceles man siya, meaning AD and BC are also congruent. So we have, if AB is 4 centimeters and CD is 8 centimeters, you are asked to solve for XY. So since XY is the median of our trapezoid, then we are going to use the formula XY is equal to AB plus CD over 2. So substitute the given. AB and CD is 4 and 8, so 4 plus 8 over 2, and 4 plus 8 is 12 divided by 2, and this gives you XY is equal to 6 centimeters. Ayaw kalimti ang apelido. So when we say apelido, I'm talking to the unit. No unit or wrong unit, that is always wrong. Next is we have, let's have another example. So I'm trying to use another same illustration, but I have different given. We have here, AB is 4 centimeters and XY is 7 centimeters. You are asked to find CD. This time, the given is the length of one of the bases and the median. And you are asked to solve for the length of the other base. So we have CD, or the other base, or the length of the other base, can be obtained using the formula 2xy minus AB. So actually, giderive ra ni siya based from the original equation. So we have, nung anong na 2xy man siya. So balik ta ha. Let's try to have, di ba ang equation ganina is, we have this one. Okay. XY is equal to, okay, di ba na ito? We have A, B, oh, di ba? Hinay kay mo sulat sa teacher. Okay. AB plus CD, and that is divided by 2. Okay. Now, gikan diha nga equation, we try to derive ani. So, first, you cross multiply, so nahimo siyang 2xy. Now, we need to solve for CD man, so gibalhin nimo si AB. Diba, when you're going to transpose a particular term, the operation or the sign will be changed. So, from positive, nahimo siyang negative. So, that is how the equation is being derived. So, ako lang ni siyang tangtangon kay maigo ni siya sa ako ang tangtang pa ko, no? Diba? Very good kay ko. Muna ni mo giandam the answer. It's okay. Part of growing up. Okay, so we have here. So if this is our equation now, we have now the equation CD is equal to 2x minus AB. So how are we going to solve for the length of CD? So next is try to substitute the given. Okay, nag-delete pa ko. Managid siya. Okay, so next is we have, from the equation, you try to substitute the given. So CD is equal to 2 times 7 minus 4. XY, change it to, substitute with 7. AB, substitute it with 4. So simplifying, CD is 10. How did I get 10? 2 times 7, that's 14, minus 4, and that gives you 10 centimeters. So that is the length of our CD. Next, let's have example number 3. So for example number 3, I'm trying to use the same figure or illustration, but this time I have this question. If AD is 10 centimeters, find BC. So the given is one of the legs, and you are asked to solve for the other leg. Now, since it's an isosceles trapezoid, so meaning the two legs are congruent. That makes it BC is equal to AD. And since AD is equal to 10 centimeters, meaning BC is also equal to 10 centimeters. So, diba? Dali na kaayo. Ang mga grade 8 ani sa Matsay, kung napa mi ani nag-online class, nag face to face, kahibaw na ni sila unsay sunod, speed test. Uh, okay, so let's have our last example. Example number 4. In the figure, ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid and XY is a median. So I'm using the same illustration, but here is my question. If BC is equal to 9 centimeters, find BY. So how are we going to solve for BY? Now, since XY is a median, then automatically we can say that Y is the midpoint. And if it is the midpoint, meaning it divides the segment into two equal parts. So if the longer part is 9 centimeters, we can get the shorter part by dividing it by 2. So that is BC over 2. Oh, very good kay akong slide. Naguna akong answer sa ako ang substitution. So substitute BC is equal to 9. So 9 divided by 2, that gives you 4.5 centimeters. So that's it for trapezoid. So, for you to be able to understand it better, you can check or you can just watch it from time to time kung naay nakalibgan. So, that's it for trapezoid. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, just wait for the next upload for the next topic. Bye!